stunting like a big time. Now I'm stunting like a big time, big time, big time. Now I'm stunting like a 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 big time, big time, big time. Now I'm stunting like a big time. Now I'm stunting like a big. Now I'm stunting like a. Now I'm stunting like a big time. Big time.
Isang napansin ko sa araw na ito nung nabasa po ang inyong mga pangalan. Ewan ko kung nagkataon, pero mukhang tinadhana. Ang pinagkaiba lang ng June at Jane ay merong U sa June at merong A sa Jane. Sa Tagalog ng U, ikaw. Ang Jane, pwedeng I am. Parang kanta ni Moira, ikaw at ako. Nagkataon lang ba o tinadhana?
What fortune lies beyond the stars? Those dazzling heights too fast to climb.
My beloved future wife, accept this simple gift of mine as a symbol of my love for you. May this always be with you to remind you that I am always here for you. I love you so much. Your husband-to-be, Allen.
I got so hard to fall so far, but I found heaven as love swept low.
Magkakilala na kami nung college.
Magka-batch kami sa PSU batch 2014. Pero during that time, mula first year to fourth year,
Nakakasakayin ko na siya sa jeep, nagkakasalubong na kami, pero hindi kami ganun ka-close.
I touch the sky when my knees hit the ground.
After graduation, ngayon na yung nag-work na kami. Doon na siya nag-start na manligaw.
which is, ang ginawa ko naman, pumunta ako sa bahay nila, nakipag face-to-face ako sa kanila. Ayan. Nagtanong ako, nag-ask ako kung pwede ko bang ligawan yung kanilang.
Heaven said have me again. My heart beating, my soul breathing.
There are no words to describe the happiness in my heart, and in short, while we will be husband and wife, never to part. I love you so much, babe, and I will for the rest of my life.
Touch the sky when my knees hit the ground.
This moment is an answered prayer. You are my answered prayer. Truly, that God has always an amazing plan for us.
I look forward to spending my lifetime with you, creating memories that I will forever treasure. No amount of money or any other material thing will outweigh the time that I have spent with you and will spend with you.
Find me here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. I'm sweet.
I believe that God has always perfect plan for us. Kasi dati wala eh. Pero ngayon, naniniwala talaga akong kung kayo talaga, kayo talaga.
Find me here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Sweep me up in your love again, and my soul rests on the wings of forever.
Simula ngayon, pagkatapos ng araw na ito, at sa pagkapatuloy ng inyong buhay. Alam niyo po kung ano po yun? Sana huwag niyong kakalimutan ang love story ninyong dalawa. Kung paano kayo naging kayo. Kasi itong love story na ito lang yung meron kayo eh. Ito yung unique na meron sa inyong dalawa. na pwede niyong ikwento sa inyong mga sarili at sa inyong magiging pamilya na bakit kayo naging kayo.
As we stand here on our wedding day, my heart is overflowing with love for you. Since the moment you came into my life, you have been a source of love and joy.
Women, they sit the ground.